Every design is tested to ensure that it can hold pressure and contain an explosion. An explosion-proof window has been installed to allow you to see the explosion inside the enclosure. An explosive gas-air mixture is piped in, and a spark plug is used to ignite it. This is followed by a water pressure test, in which the enclosure is subjected to a pressure of 4 times the maximum explosion pressure. Another test is performed to confirm that the joints will prevent an ignition of the surrounding atmosphere. In this test, the enclosure is surrounded by an explosive gas mixture inside a plastic tent. Note that the internal explosion is not transmitted to the outside explosive mixture. Now, we will deliberately damage the flanged joint to demonstrate what can happen if there is an explosion with a damaged flame path.